Welcome to another episode in the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. My name is Jason Perkins, and I'm an attorney who specializes in Georgia workers' compensation cases. I created this video series to provide people who've been injured at work with helpful information about Georgia's workers' compensation law and the benefits that they can receive under it. Today I want to talk to you about a benefit that complements Georgia workers' compensation benefits, and that's Social Security benefits. And the particular question I want to discuss with you is whether you can receive Social Security at the same time that you receive workers' compensation. Now the answer is yes. There's nothing that prohibits you from receiving Social Security and workers' compensation at the same time. However, there are some clarifications that need to be made there. The first is, with regard to Social Security, there's a few different types of Social Security benefits. The two main types that we run into in workers' compensation are Social Security disability and Social Security retirement benefits. Social Security retirement benefits are benefits that you receive based on reaching a certain age. Most people think of it as 65, but it actually varies depending on the year that you were born as to when your full Social Security retirement age is, and there's also early retirement, or you can delay it till a certain period of time. But with regards to Social Security retirement, you can receive those benefits in workers' compensation at the same time. Now, Social Security disability benefits are benefits that people receive when they meet Social Security's standard of disability before reaching retirement age. And those are benefits that people generally go out and apply for, and then Social Security makes a determination of about whether the person meets Social Security's definition of disability. If they do, then they qualify for a certain benefit from Social Security, similar to the monthly retirement benefit that they may receive, and they can also qualify for Medicare at some point, even before they reach age 65, when most people would qualify for Medicare. Now, with regard to Social Security disability, the thing to understand about it in workers' compensation is that there is often an offset if you're receiving Social Security disability and workers' compensation at the same time. I'm not going to get into the details of how that offset is calculated, but just it's important to know that you may not receive your full Social Security disability benefit if you're still receiving benefits from workers' compensation. One other thing that's very important to understand is that qualifying for Social Security retirement or Social Security disability benefits may affect your workers' compensation case in certain ways and may make it harder, particularly if you want to settle your case. So I would encourage you that before you go about filing for either Social Security disability benefits or if you're approaching Social Security retirement, it probably is going to make sense to reach out and talk to a workers' compensation attorney, especially if you're considering settlement, as to how those benefits might affect settlement of your case. I hope you found this information about Social Security and how it interacts with workers' compensation helpful. If you have, please let me know that. The best way you can do that is by liking this video or giving it a thumbs up or by commenting on it below. Now, if you'd like more information about Georgia workers' compensation, you can view all the videos from the Georgia workers' compensation video series at our Perkins Studdard workers' compensation YouTube channel. And you can subscribe there too if you want to be notified of future videos as they come out. If you do have some specific questions about Social Security or any other issues about your workers' compensation case, I'd encourage you to get answers to those questions, and I think the best way to do so is a consultation with a workers' compensation attorney. I provide free consultations in workers' compensation cases, and I'd be happy to schedule one with you if you'd like to do so. There's two easy ways that you can set that up. The first is by calling the phone number at the bottom of the screen, or you can reach out to me through our website, which is www.perkinslawtalk.com, where you can complete and submit our free consultation request form that's available, and someone from my office will contact you to get a consultation set up. Thanks again for watching today, and I wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.